Hi, welcome to excellab.org. We will see how to create present value interest factor table using Excel's data table function. So we know the formula for present value interest factor, which is 1 divided by 1 plus rate of interest raised to number of year, which is n. Now considering different interest rate, let's say begin with 1%, 2%, and take up to, let's say, 10%. So we can use fill handle, so take up to 10%. So these are the rate of interest. Now in the column we will say consider years. So let's say begin with 1, 2, and take up to, let's say, 10 years. So take up to 10 years. So this is our table. This is our table, and we want to fill the values which are present value interest factor values. So what we will do, we write the rate of interest. Let's say begin with 1%, and the time period, which is year, say begin with year 1. So now what we will do, on this, the left top corner, we put the formula, which is 1 divided by 1 plus rate of interest, which is 1% raised to 1, that is the first year, and enter. So we got it, which is 0.9901. So this is present value interest factor for 1%, 1 year. So this is discounting. Now what we will do, we will fill all the values, all the discounted values for different rates and years. So we go to data type, what if data table. Now we can see, the rows. Now rows are, the different rates, interest rates, so which is 1%, 2%. So here we give the reference, this is rate. Now remember, now this rate and the column, the next one is column, it should be outside this, the whole table, otherwise you will not get the value. So that's why, I mentioned it is outside the table, and the column is, this is year, so this is column, okay, and we will have the values. Now you can say different values. So take up to 4 decimal, go to home and number tab, and you just take it up to 4 decimal. So all these are the discounted values for different rates and years. So in this way, using data table, we can found out all the values. It's a wonderful Excel function.